Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make the very delicious French cruller donuts. For this, take 1 cup of water in a pan. To this, add 2 teaspoons of sugar, a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of butter. If you are using salted butter, avoid the salt. Let the butter completely melt. Once it is completely melted, add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir this continuously, no lump should be formed. You should get a smooth dough like this. Now transfer the dough into a bowl. Knead this well with your hand or an electric beater like this until it turns soft. Add 2 eggs into this. You have to add the eggs one by one and beat them well. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence into this. Our final dough has to be smooth and sticky like this. Now take a parchment paper, that is a butter paper, and apply some oil. Take a piping cone or a thick plastic cover and fill it with the dough. This is ready. Now let us pipe it on the parchment paper. Do the same with the rest of the dough. Our crullers are ready to be fried. Take enough oil for frying, and once the oil is hot enough, you can fry them. Deep fry them in hot oil and in medium flame. You have to fry them until they turn golden brown. So now they are golden brown, we can take them out. Take 3/4 cup of sugar in a mixie jar and powder it. This is our powdered sugar. To this, add 3 tablespoons of milk and a tablespoon of honey. Give everything a nice mix. And now we are going to give a sugar coating for our donuts. Our French cruller donuts are ready. This will taste so good. Do give a try. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.